Hi, I would like to first welcome you and thank you for taking the time to view this demo of the Cluster Explorer that ships as part of the MS SQL Power Pack from Lightspeed PM. This is one of a series of demos used to showcase the various features that ship as part of the offering. My name is Alain Abdel Sader, and I will be your guide through this demo. We will start by accessing the dashboard by clicking on the MS SQL Cluster Explorer link under Homes. In the navigation panel, we have the cluster selector, which allows for clusters to be selected individually by selecting a group or service. The tree view displays standalone instances, always on and failover clusters when available. Lots of information is on display. For an instance, you can view the databases, the plant caches, and the logical disks. For a database, you can view the log files, data files, and full text catalogs. For an always-on cluster, you can view the instances that make up the cluster and the defined availability groups. For an availability group, you can view the instances that are part of the group and the replica databases for each instance. For a failover cluster, you can view the nodes that make up the cluster. The status of the various element is displayed in the second column. The state column represents the worst severity the element in question is at based on the triggered alarms. Metrics take center stage and are of the utmost importance. The metrics selector allows you to select the metrics to display. If new metrics were selected to display, the reset button will restore the metrics to the ones that were displayed at the time the dashboard was first accessed. Clicking the Defaults button will display the default metrics assigned to the various elements. All the remaining buttons allow to toggle the various period values. Now that we showcase the various options, let's look at what is offered in regards to exploring the data. Clicking on a metric will provide a time plot chart that displays the values over the selected period. The chart can be viewed using any of the metric values. Clicking on the time plot or pie chart icons will allow you to select multiple metrics to plot. The listed metrics are limited to the ones that apply to the element being explored. By default, metrics are filtered to display only those with data. To display all metrics, click the Show All Metrics button. The chart can be viewed using any of the metric values. When two or more values are available for a category, clicking on the bar chart icon will allow you to plot metrics for comparison. Clicking on a value will provide options to navigate to the host monitor or the instance overview dashboard. Clicking on the category will offer more options. This concludes our demo. I hope it was informative, and I thank you again for joining us.